Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about silver. On the silver chart, we're currently looking at this possible wave 2 correction, which could result in a third wave rally as long as we're holding the $21 level down there and do not break and sustain below it. We're currently looking at this structure and we said, okay, we probably came down in an A wave here, which bottomed on the 25th of April. This was a high B wave, yeah, it's slightly overshooting B wave. And we're now coming down in the C wave. And then in one of the last videos I said to you, okay, there is a chance we have bottomed here, but I would rather see a wave 4 bounce in 3 waves into resistance, which happened, and a wave 5 down, which happened. We then saw a bit of a bullish reaction down here around $23, and yesterday we said, okay, it could have bottomed now, but I have a hard time to believe it. But we can nevertheless add some support onto the chart that would tell us, well, that if broken would tell us, no, we certainly haven't bottomed yet. And that was at 23.20, that broke. We've now made a new low. That's not a problem because in the end, we didn't confirm a low yet. And we just said, okay, we can be watching, maybe the low is in, but I had a hard time to believe it. Those were my words yesterday. And now it could be that we are heading down here in the 5th wave to complete that correction. We've actually reached now the target area finally, the support area at 22.96. That's where it starts. We already saw a small reaction and it wouldn't surprise me if very shortly we see a bullish reaction. But at the moment I can of course not confirm anything because there is no sign that we have bottomed yet. Maybe we can add a bit of a trend line here that would help us to understand when we find a low. I don't know how reliable that is. Probably not terribly reliable, that trend line. Maybe we leave it because you don't get enough touch points in maybe. So I'll leave that trend line on the chart. Maybe we can be watching for it. But certainly, yeah, it's now reached that 22.96 level, the 50% retracement. Normally, like the minimum I want to see for a wave 2. Below that level now, we've got 22.22 as support, which is the golden ratio, and then 21.16. But below that level, yeah, then we would break below the 78.6 retracement and would need to focus on more bearish options. Of course, there is also a bearish scenario, which of course would come into play if we break below that bullish support level, and it would indicate that we're now coming down here in a C wave after we rallied only in a large B wave here to the most recent highs. It would then make new lows below the October lows, yeah. But for now, I think there is a bit of an opportunity in the metals market. Also, gold has only just entered the yellow box, so there is still space for it to fall further if it needs to. But what you need to understand is we have a possible ABC structure complete. We don't necessarily need to go any lower, and I will keep you updated. Okay, that's my update about silver. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.